All-on-6 upper arch, zygomatic implants. It's a beautiful thing. We just finished upper and lower all-on-4 for a gentleman. It went very well, excellent strength. And I'll tell you, if he hadn't come here where he could get back implants, the 4 implants would have been placed way too far forward. There had been no support in the back. That would have resulted in breakage of teeth, early loss of all the upper arch, and a less long-term prognosis. You got to be aware that 40% of maxillary upper teeth, all-on-4s, are done without enough back support because people are using standard all-on-4 techniques. So experience counts. Don't call looking around town for the cheapest price or just anybody. Experience counts. Do the job right or do it twice. We did it right today. I'm really proud of our team. Everybody did a fantastic job. Have a good day.